So it never fails. Most of the walk, he's kind of poking, he wants to sniff around, then we get to here, and he wants to run. He likes to try and beat me up the hill. You want to race today? You want to run? And he usually starts about here so he can cheat and get a good head start. We got a long way to the hill. You want to run, buddy? See if my knees will hold out today. Already ran on the treadmill this morning. Hershey's not the only one that needs glucosamine. Come on. Come on. Thankfully for both of us, this section of the bridge is downhill. You wanted to go. There we go. Come on. He stays right beside me pretty good. He heals. We got company. Looks like Len and his two little dogs. I forget their names. Oh yeah, guess who else sees them? We're gonna go fast now? Okay. Let's go see the other little dogs. Alright, family and friends. Make it a great day. See ya.